In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coupon code on Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a discount that fits your promotion, whether it's a site-wide sale or a special offer for a single course. First, log in to your Teachable admin dashboard. From there, look for the Site menu and select Coupons. This page is your central place for managing all discount codes, both current and past, so it's a good idea to get familiar with it if you plan to run ongoing promotions. Next, click Add New Coupon. This opens the setup screen where you'll define how your coupon works. Start by choosing the coupon type. If you want one code that can be used by many people, pick Multiple Use. This is great for public sales, webinars, or email blasts. If you want each person to have their own unique code, choose Single Use. That's handy for exclusive offers, giveaways, or situations where you don't want a code shared around. You'll then decide the scope of the coupon. You can apply it to all products, which is useful for site-wide promotions, or limit it to a specific course or pricing plan. Narrowing it down is especially helpful when you're promoting just one program or a particular payment option, like a one-time purchase versus a subscription. Now fill in the details. For the coupon code, type the exact text people will enter at checkout. Keep it short, clear, and easy to remember, something like Save 20 or New Student 10. Avoid characters that can be confusing, and make sure it aligns with any marketing you're doing. Choose the discount type. You can set a percentage, like 20% off, which scales with your price, or a fixed amount, like $10 off, which keeps the savings consistent. Think about your pricing and which outcome you want for customers. Set the expiration date so the coupon stops working after your promotion ends. Pick a date and time that matches your marketing timeline and double-check that it's clear to your audience when the offer ends. Finally, set the usage limit. This controls how many times the coupon can be used in total. It's perfect for creating urgency or ensuring you don't exceed a planned number of redemptions. When everything looks good, click Save. Your coupon is now active and ready to use. For peace of mind, you can always preview a checkout page and enter the code to confirm the discount applies as expected, and keep a note of the details so your support team can assist customers if needed. That's it. Your Teachable coupon is live and ready to drive signups.